Prefrontal dysfunction theory. The prefrontal cortex, or the PFC, is a part of the brain located just above the eyes that occupy about one-third of the human cerebral cortex. So yung PFC isang part ng brain, malaking part ng brain na nalolocate lang siya above sa eyes ng tao. And one-third ng brain is the prefrontal cortex. Now, the prefrontal cortex is responsible for making moral judgment, planning, analyzing, synthesizing, and modulating emotions. These functions that I was mentioning are called the executive functions. These are self-regulation skills that enables us to plan, to focus our attention, to remember instructions, and also to juggle multiple tasks successfully. Now, if there will be dysfunctions in these executive skills or executive functions, it will result to antisocial behavior. Or if nadisgrasya ka, nagkaroon ng problema sa prefrontal cortex mo, makaapektuhan itong mga executive functions na to. And if these are compromised, again, it will result to antisocial behavior.